Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix uh, Microsoft Office stops working. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically for this video, we are just going to follow the support article of Microsoft. And basically here we are going to talk specifically about Office applications. And from here we are going to learn about some repairs that you can use on the Office if it stopped working. So basically, if Word or Excel or any other office like PowerPoint also, etc., isn't working correctly, you will be needing simply restarting it. So for example, if you had like your Word that has been added or stopped working or doesn't work correctly, make sure that you have like saved if you are able to save. And in that case, you will already have like some autosave that will be added into your computer. So it's kind of safe like to just terminate the process of this Office app. After that, you will be needing like to start using the Reaper tool of your apps. So basically you can go to the start button. So basically from here you can go to apps and feature. So there you will find apps and feature and you can search for Word for example or Excel or any other product that isn't working. So let's just go for Microsoft, etc. And basically you will need just to select the Microsoft Office products you want to repair and then go to modify. And basically in those choices, you will find like uninstall move, but for the Office products, you would find modify or repair. And by repairing the entire uh, this will repair the entire Office suite. That means all your apps, and basically they will just restart your configuration, files, etc. So it can be working. And depending on your Office installation type, you will be or you will see following option to proceed with repairs, and you will need just to follow on the instruction, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.